In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on OneDrive Business efficiently and securely, ensuring your documents reach the intended recipients without a hitch. And whether you're new to OneDrive or just looking to brush up on your file sharing skills, this guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step, so you can share your documents with confidence. Let's start by accessing OneDrive, a part of Microsoft's suite of online services. Head over to Microsoft's homepage. Here you'll find an array of options and services Microsoft offers, but our focus for now is getting to OneDrive Business. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see the Sign In button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials. Now it's time to sign into your Microsoft account. Enter your email address in the provided field. This is a crucial step because your Microsoft account gives you access to OneDrive along with other Microsoft services. Once you've input your email, click Next to proceed. Next up, you'll be asked for your password. Type it in carefully and click Next again. If your credentials are correct, you'll be signed in no time. The next step is crucial for ensuring the security of your account. If prompted, choose Yes to stay signed in. This can save you time in the future, especially if you use OneDrive frequently. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, you might want to think twice for security reasons. Once logged in, navigate across the menu bar or the All Microsoft drop-down to select OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive offers a secure and convenient place to store your files online, allowing you to access them from any device, anytime, anywhere. Upon selecting OneDrive, you'll be prompted to sign in specifically to OneDrive with the same Microsoft credentials, if not already automatically signed in. This step ensures direct access to your OneDrive files and folders. Now, let's dive into the main focus of our guide: sharing files. Once in OneDrive, locate the Home OneDrive page and click on Files in the left-hand menu. This section houses all your stored documents and files. Find the file you wish to share. This could be anything from important work documents to personal photos. Next to your chosen file, you'll see a three-dot icon. Clicking on this reveals additional actions you can take concerning the file. From the options displayed, select Share to initiate the sharing process. A new window will pop up, providing different sharing options. Here you can choose how you want to share your file. For a more controlled sharing experience, click on Copy Link. This generates a unique link to your file, which you can then share with others. However, if you prefer to share your document with specific people, which is often the safer option, select Specific People. This allows you to limit access to the file, enhancing its security. After selecting Specific People, a new field will appear where you can enter the email addresses of the individuals you're sharing the file with. Once done, click on Apply to confirm your sharing settings. This step adds an extra layer of specificity and security to your file sharing, ensuring only the right eyes get access to your document. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of sharing files on OneDrive Business. By following these straightforward steps, you can share documents securely and efficiently, making collaboration easier than ever. Remember, managing who has access to your files is crucial for maintaining security, especially in a business environment. So take advantage of OneDrive's sharing settings to keep your documents safe while fostering collaboration. Thank you for joining me in this guide. Whether you're sharing files for work, school, or personal reasons, these steps will ensure your documents are shared safely and arrive at their intended destination. Happy sharing, and see you in the next tutorial.